Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can use Airtable to plan a concert or festival. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First off, you'll want to create a new base in Airtable. This is where all your planning information will be stored. Think of it as your digital planning binder. Now that we've done that, let's explain why it's important. With a dedicated base, you can manage all your tasks, deadlines, and resources in one place, making it easy to see the big picture of your planning process. Now, let's move to the next step. Inside your new base, you'll want to create different tables for various aspects of your event, such as artists, venues, suppliers, and volunteers. This step is crucial because it allows you to categorize and organize your information efficiently. For instance, with a dedicated table for artists, you can track who has confirmed, who needs to be paid, and any special requirements they may have. Next up, it's time to add records to your tables. Records can be anything from an artist's name to a supplier's contact information. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each record you add is like a row in a spreadsheet, and you can add as many details as you need. The reason we do this is to ensure that all your data is neatly organized and easy to access. Now, the real magic happens when we start linking records across tables. Let's say you've booked an artist who has specific equipment needs. You can link this artist's record to the supplier who is providing the equipment. This helps us because it creates a clear line of sight between different elements of your event, making it easier to manage details and avoid miscommunication. Finally, take advantage of Airtable's Views feature. You can create calendar views, Kanban boards, or gallery views depending on what you find most helpful. Let me explain why this matters. These different views help you visualize your data in ways that make sense to you, making your planning process more intuitive and less overwhelming. And that's it. You're now well equipped to use Airtable for planning your next concert or festival. By keeping all your information organized and linked, you'll streamline your planning and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Remember, the key is to keep it simple and make the tool work for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy planning.